The Pi network is a fairly unusual case in the realm of digital forms of money. It has earned a considerable amount of consideration and premium, but then, you can't get it in a place. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best way to get it, basically for the present, is to mine it. In spite of not having a cost at this point, the Pi coin has a ton of devoted fans. The venture's basic reason and strong specialized establishment have proactively drawn in a significant number of crypto devotees. The Pi network has a functioning local area, and its client base continues to become dramatically step by step. Presently, the principal question remains, will the Pi coin at any point arrive at trades and offer its holders a chance to cash out? Furthermore, assuming that occurs, what sort of cost could clients at any point hope to get for their newly mined Pi crypto? The Pi network project is very special. Not just has Pi ascended to acclaim while not in any event being recorded at this point, yet it likewise is notable for being somewhat simple to mine. As per its designers, the Pi coin is the main digital currency that can be mined totally on one's cell phone. One simply has to download the Pi network application and get a greeting code from one of the current confided-in individuals to begin acquiring the Pi digital money. Open the application once at regular intervals and snap on the lightning button to begin mining. There are different ways of speeding up. Prior individuals get higher rates, and you can welcome confided and loved ones to join the Pi application for a little reward. Furthermore, following 3 days of mining, you can construct your security circle to support your income as well as the general security of the Pi organization. Pi organization value expectation for 2022 by specialists. Since this cryptographic money's future is so unusual, numerous specialists are extremely moderate in their Pi network cost forecasts. The Pi coin neither has a cost history for us to break down nor has it shown how it answers the value developments of the crypto market and Bitcoin. There's no market cap or all-time high for us to use in our cost expectations. By the same token, anyway, what's left? All things considered, for a situation like this, most specialists must choose the option to go to unadulterated hypothesis. We couldn't complete an undeniable central investigation. To infer the genuine worth of any resource, one needs to assess its true capacity and existing use cases, the quantity of individuals utilizing or holding it, its future potential, the group behind it, etc. Contingent upon the resource, a portion of these variables will assume a greater part in deciding the resource's cost than the others. For Pi's situation, it's basically impossible to decide the genuine number of clients that will hold the coin once it goes live. For the most part, when such a renowned and notable task becomes recorded interestingly, its cost skyrockets in the initial not many days or weeks. As individuals race to get involved with the new conceivable large thing, the popularity will push the market cap and the Pi esteem up. Nonetheless, such cost revitalizes seldom keep going long. As a rule, the cryptographic money crashes a couple of days after the underlying mooning because of individuals attempting to offer off their coins to create a speedy gain. The inquiry is, will the equivalent happen to the Pi coin? In our Pi network cost forecast, we investigated both Pi's assets and shortcomings and the value history of digital currencies with comparable use cases. Furthermore, we likewise needed to consider what will happen to the crypto market from here on out and how Pi could squeeze into the crypto circle before very long. Kindly note that this is all unadulterated theory. We've made this Pi network cost forecast in view of the supposition that the cryptographic money will send off an open mainnet in June 2022 as expected. Pi coin value forecast 2023. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounce back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Moreover, the general publicity for crypto can incredibly help the Pi digital money. It is amateur well-disposed, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number. Assuming the publicity happens in late winter of 2023, its group can promote actually on Pi Day. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value expectation is that it very well may be very rewarding for organizations to put resources into and embrace. For instance, it fits the standards Elon Musk has set for a digital money that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi coin value expectation 2024. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced already, any kind of promotion in the crypto local area can extraordinarily help this computerized cash, supporting its cost. On the off chance that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is currently, we don't see Pi turning out to be staggeringly productive, yet it can in any case be a wise speculation. All things considered, in the event that you gained it for $0 any value the Pi crypto arrives voluntarily give you a benefit. Pi coin value forecast 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? In the event that all works out as expected, the cryptographic money will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, if it gets seen by a big name or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1. That would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. PiCoin Value Forecast 2026. Our PiCoin cost expectation for 2026 is that the cryptographic money will figure out how to arrive at highs it has not seen previously. All things considered, we expect that this venture will gather more consideration as years go by, so just regular its cost will rise. The way that the Pi network has taken on a versatile first methodology will help it later on. The computerized world is gradually exchanging away from utilizing laptops to tablets and cell phones. Despite the fact that it is almost difficult to make a real PiCoin value forecast and name the PiCoin's future value, we can perceive that it can possibly become one of the main computerized coins. PiCoin Value Expectation 2027. What will happen to the Pi organize in 5 years? Indeed, the reality of the situation will come out eventually. In the event that all works out in a good way and the coin gets recorded as arranged as well as endures the accidents that will undoubtedly follow its prior convention, then this computerized money gets an opportunity to get by till 2027 and, surprisingly, become beneficial for every one of its holders. Taking into account Pi mining is free. All that you make from selling the digital currency can in fact be a benefit. Notwithstanding, there's an opportunity of a lifetime that Pi mining could become unbeneficial that far later on. All things considered, anybody that has at any point attempted to mine coins realizes that the cycle has consistent losses. We question that even the moderately low starting speculation costs one necessities to pay to mine the Pi coin will actually want to counterbalance the halvings, expansion, and the rising number of excavators. Obviously, there are alternate ways for the Pi network group to bring in cash off this venture. As far as one might be concerned, they can sell client information. The send-off of the open mainnet and posting on trades likewise won't save clients from an expected trick. All things considered, the Pi organization could continuously end up being an intricate fraudulent business model, which is all the more probable with how one requires a reference code to get in and gets rewards after welcoming more individuals to the task. Last considerations. The Pi network is an exceptionally intriguing task that has shown a ton of commitment. It has a committed local area, an enthusiastic dev group behind it, and a strong specialized establishment, every one of the markings of a promising cryptographic money. By the day's end, on the off chance that you trust the undertaking not to release your information, it won't damage to mine Pi coins as an afterthought. All things considered, it's free. Who knows, perhaps it will get embraced by Tesla and turned into the following media deer, bringing its holders a huge number of benefit. The truth will come out at some point.